This is the ramp build for the Dell. The land has suffered from really poor access, so at the moment you can only access the land through a set of wooden steps, which is no good if you want to bring in materials, plant machinery or future guests. So what we needed to do was get access from the road into the land. Now the land comes with a very poor garden path which gets us to about 3 metres below the road. So the plan is to put a ramp in. So we have the road with a car and we have a driveway. Now the driveway sits behind a wall which is about 3 to 4 metres off the garden path which is in the land. So what we needed to do was to come through the wall, build a retaining wall with Lego blocks, fill in the hole and install a path which sweeps round and joins the original path going into the land, which needed to be at least 1.5 metres wide throughout the path. Once we've installed the ramp, we can access the land far better. It allows us to bring in materials, machinery and tools as we need to make the pod, but also to renovate the garden in the months to come.